Namaskar, this is Dr. Prakash Kundekar, Honorary Director of the Indian Institute of Naturopathy, Mumbai. At present, I am in USA and talking to you from here on how to be healthy and happy by natural way. Human beings are always inquisitive and curious for new things. Their nature of research leading towards the betterment of life and increase the longevity from 30 years from 20th century to 70th century and 21st century. Overall health is one of the major factors affecting the cost of the people working with the industry and particularly in SMEs. This has been realized by now due to the COVID-19. Being a naturopath, yoga and Bhavan therapist, I'll be making use of some of the aspects of these therapies or glancing through them, and that will be useful for utility for human health and immunity of a person. Naturopathy is an art and science of non-invasive healthcare and health assessment in which neither drugs nor surgeries are used. Emphasis is more given on the natural substances, use of fruit juices, vegetable juices, vitamins, minerals, enzymes, etc. Humans have an inbuilt immunity which is responsible for maintaining health. The naturopathic concept of vitalism has been the basis of the conventional medicine. Vital force of a person is best for healing, and it is useful for the natural healing processes. 6 principles of naturopathy are important, like healing of nature, identify and treat the causes. First, do no harm. Doctor as a teacher. Then fifth, treat the whole person. And last, naturopathic tradition emphasize disease prevention. Hippocrates, said to be father of the modern medicine, once said, "Give me the power to give you a fever and I'll cure all the diseases." He further said, "What we are using is a food, what is rejected is a poison." Principles of naturopathic medicine differ significantly with the modern medicine. In conventional medicine, relieving symptom is the primary focus. For example, in conventional medicine, fever would be controlled will be stopped by the drugs. In most healthcare situations, elimination of the symptoms is achieved through the use of drugs and in some cases, surgery. In the past few years, naturopathic medicine has won the respect of community and also educators, and particularly in this pandemic situation because of the necessity. The main reason for naturopathic medicine rise is its use of simple but tremendously effective natural treatment, and where we have major focus on clinical nutrition. Clinical nutrition has been one of the main components of the naturopathic medicines, and it is since beginning. Many studies in and around the world, it has suggested that naturopathy benefits, particularly nutritional benefits, are very much important from the point of view of overall health of a person. The food also depends upon the climatic conditions, and it differs from person to person. And heart disease and diabetes could be controlled with the help of nutrition and naturopathic treatments. And पवन पानी पृथ्वी प्रकाश आकाश पंचभूत के मेल से बना जगत का पाश. 5 elements of nature which are in our body, and if there is an imbalance between this body, we say there is a disease. And with the help of all or any such elements, we can get rid of those elements, and that is the important factor in our naturopathy treatment. So it is important thing to know that in naturopathy we tell the person to be your own doctor by use of naturopathic modalities, and also safe and nutritious food along with yoga and naturopathy. Thank you. So as to enhance the immunity of the person after body detox, hydrotherapy is used there. In the present pandemic COVID-19 experience, it is felt that naturopathy along with yoga has to play a vital role in overall health of a people, and SMEs in particular. Human body contains plasma which carries substances like hormones, vitamins, amino acids, and antibodies, and also contains proteins called clotting factor that useful for coagulation. Cerebrospinal spinal mucus are also important for overall health of a person. Nature plays a major role in human health through various plants. Since birth of every person has a threat of a disease, minor or major. The health of an organization depends upon the health of a person working over there, and also the health of the family of those people. Health can be physical, mental, and social, and there is a part played by stress. Stress is also responsible for many health problems. Naturopathy, yoga, and Bhavan therapy can have the better solution for any type of stress, and in turn, a person can become healthy. Stress has been shown in clinical viral and respiratory illnesses in human. Immunity changes are associated with distress, can contribute to the etiology and cause of immunologically resistant diseases such as infections, autoimmune diseases, or even cancer. Hence, stress management is also important factor for people working in industry and SMEs in particular, as it has adverse effect on the productivity. Yoga, the word yoga has been derived word, Sanskrit word used meaning to join or to yoke or to unite. As per yogic scriptures, the practice of yoga led to the union of individual consciousness with that of the universal consciousness, indicating a perfect harmony between mind and body, man and nature. So this is important aspect of yoga and yogasanas. Factors affecting health can be unsafe food, stress at work, and another factor is poor sanitation, very important from the point of view of industry. Safe and nutritious food is very important from the point of view of all people. As per the conditions of FSSAI 2011, the various factors, particularly Schedule 4, compliance is necessary for any FBO or food business operator, Food Safety Management System, FSMS, hazard analysis and critical control point, HACCP, GMP, that is good manufacturing practices, good hygiene practices, GSPs, are main factors to be taken care by the SMEs.